Hello there. Let's talk about clowns. When you picture a clown, is it a big smile or a bright red nose? Clown makeup transforms a regular face into something extraordinary, full of joy and laughter. Their painted expressions are bold, so everyone can see their feelings, even from far away. It's like drawing a smile on a balloon. Simple, but it brings cheer. The world of clown makeup is a box of crayons. Bright reds, sunny yellows, brilliant blues. Some clowns have rosy cheeks, others a teardrop under one eye. Each design tells a story. But not all clown faces are sunshine and rainbows. A smile that's too wide or darker, colors can make a clown look mysterious, or even a bit spooky. Clown makeup can be sweet or a little scary, which makes it fascinating. On one hand, clowns are the life of the party, making everyone laugh. On the other, the makeup hides the real person, creating a mask of pure emotion. We're about to explore the happy, the sad, and the slightly spooky world of clown faces. Ready for an adventure? Let's get started. Scene transition. Clowns haven't always looked the way they do now. It began with Piero, a sad clown from Italy, who painted his face white to show every expression. Then came Joseph Grimaldi in England, who added rosy cheeks, a wide grin, and wild hair, turning the white face into a masterpiece of comedy. Grimaldi was so famous, clowns in England were called Joey after him. As circuses grew, clown makeup became bigger and bolder, so crowds could see their faces. The classic white-face clown was born, the leader with neat features and a calm, elegant look. Soon, other types joined. The August clown, with a flesh-toned base and exaggerated features, and the character clown, like a tramp or hobo. Each style tells a different story, but they all started with that simple, sad, white face. It's like one big, silly family of clowns. The evolution of clown makeup is a story of creativity and performance. From theatre to circus, each new face added something special. Today, every clown's makeup is a nod to this colorful history. Scene transition. What makes a clown look sweet? Happy clowns use soft shapes, bright colors, and big, round red noses. Their smiles curve up, eyes are wide and friendly, and sometimes there are hearts or flowers on their cheeks. Their makeup says, "I'm your friend! Let's play!" Now flip the coin. A scary clown twists those features. The smile becomes sharp and stretched. Colors turn dark, and makeup might look cracked or peeling. The eyes are surrounded by dark shapes, eyebrows angled down, and a black teardrop can look sinister. It's amazing how a painted face can create pure joy or pure fear. The same basic idea, but two totally different feelings. That's the magic and mystery of clown makeup. Whether sweet or spooky, it's all about the details. Which side do you find more fascinating? Scene transition. Why do some people find clowns scary? A clown's smile is always there, hiding the real person underneath. This permanent mask can feel strange and make us uneasy. Clowns move unpredictably, popping up or acting in surprising ways, like a life-size Jack-in-the-Box. Movies like It turned clowns into monsters, making the painted smile a symbol of fear. Real-life creepy clown sightings have added to the unease. These stories blur the line between fun and fright. For some, clowns are joyful, for others, they're unsettling. It's all about what's hidden behind the makeup. Scene transition. Want to make your own clown face? Let's try. For a happy clown, use bright face paints. White, red, blue, yellow. Paint big white circles around your eyes and mouth, classic August style. Add a big smiling red mouth, rosy cheeks, and high arched eyebrows. Finish with a red nose, painted or foam. For a spooky clown, use a pale or cracked white base. Make the smile thin and sharp with pointy tips. Use dark colors for eyes, black triangles, angry V-shaped brows, and a single black teardrop. Sharp, jagged shapes create a creepy effect. With just a few changes, you can go from sweet to spooky. Clown makeup is all about transformation. Which clown will you be? Scene transition. Meet Chuckles, a clown with a bright face and a rainbow smile. He performed for children, spreading joy with juggling and magic tricks. One day, he comforted a sad girl with a magic rose, showing that clowns can be gentle friends. But in another town, there was Creeps, a silent, cracked white clown seen only at twilight. His thin, black smile and hollow eyes made him a living ghost story. On Halloween, teenagers dared to approach him at the old fairground. Creeps pointed silently into the woods, sending them running in fear. Chuckles and Creeps show two sides of the clown. One brings laughter, the other chills. Both are unforgettable. Clowns can be friends or mysteries, sometimes both at once. Their faces tell stories without words. Which clown would you meet in your dreams? Scene transition. Clowns are stars, on stage and on screen. In the circus, they fill the tent with laughter, connecting with everyone through their makeup and antics. On TV, clowns like Krusty from The Simpsons remind us of classic, joyful entertainers. But movies have also given us scary clowns, like the Joker who turns laughter into fear. The clown face is a powerful mask, sometimes joyful, sometimes terrifying. At Halloween, you'll see both adorable clowns and frightening ones. This range keeps clowns fascinating and timeless. We love them, we fear them, and we can't look away. Whether under the big top or on the big screen, clowns capture our imagination. Their painted faces are a symbol of fun, and sometimes a little fright. That's the magic of the clown. End.